May I come in, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So are you the owner of this institute?
Yes, I am the owner.
Okay, so I want to say I heard about this institute from my friend, so I want to join an English institute. So can you tell me the charges of this institute?
Okay, you decided you should learn English, so that's a great decision. And if I talk about the charges of my institute, there is only 6,000 rupees you paid the one time. You are totally eligible for the learn English lifetime. So it is the charges of my institute. And if I talk about the other charges, there is no other charges.
So, friends, today you should wake up. You should get an idea because today I want to teach you a role play in English. They are the two students I have selected, Dinesh and Adit. They are the junior, they are the beginners of this institute, and today they want to show you their English, my dear. And definitely you will enjoy. And the game already I mentioned today, already I told you role play. He's a playing a role of student and he's a playing a role of teacher. It's a discussion, it's a conversation between teacher and student for admission in English Institute. So today it means to say he's playing a role of me, my dear, like Jitu sir. And he wants to take admission in English. And let's see in each other they will satisfied or not. They will be satisfied or not. And in each other they will make satisfied or not, my dear. But you should not leave this video, my dear. You should not speak this video. You should not skip, my dear. You should not leave, my dear. Definitely you will learn something and you will collect the knowledge from this video. So now we are going to start. 1, 2, 3. Let's start.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So are you the owner of this institute?
Yes, I am the owner.
Okay, so I want to say I heard about this institute from my friend, so I want to join an English institute. So can you tell me the charges of this institute?
Okay, you decided you should learn English, so that's a great decision. And if I talk about the charges of my institute, there is only 6,000 rupees you paid the one time. You are totally eligible for the learn English lifetime. So it is the charges of my institute. And if I talk about the other charges, there is no other charges. There is no other charges. So it's the charges.
Okay, so may I know what are the facilities you are going to give me, because I want to join this institute I am
Okay.
very
Yeah, absolutely. If I talk about the facility in the My Institute, so there's 3 classes for learning purpose. If I talk about if I talk about the basic classes, in the basic class, you should learn about the grammatical parts, and after that, you done the grammatical part, you are totally eligible for the intermediate and advanced class. According to your knowledge, you are eligible for the advanced class, and you are totally free to speak about yourself. And the environment of in this institute, there is a lot of students and the job employees over there, so environment is totally fabulous.
So
So that's
on which thing you focus main, on the literature or on the spoken?
on the spoken, because the we are totally learn about the English from since our childhood, but we are not able to speak. So I am just speaking, I am just focused about the speaking part, because the speaking part is different as compared the grammatical part. Speaking is a skill, not a grammar, so that's I am focusing about that.
So on I want to improve my grammar section. So how can I improve? There is any special classes for this?
Yeah, there is a special, if you are totally beginner, so you should join the basic class firstly, and you should then the teacher will teach you the grammatical, like the part of the speech, preposition, verb, this type of basic thing, and you are eligible for the speaking now. So you are promoted to the intermediate and advanced class.
Okay, so may I know what are the specialties of this institute? Because my friend said we play the game here. So what kind of game we are going to play if
Yeah,
I
there is-
take the admission in this institute?
There is a lot of game play by the student and teacher. If I talk about the play, the pair talk game, presentation game, and Google game. And the famous game is the presentation game. But because the presentation game, the audience asks the simple question. If you have a knowledge about, you can easily express about the easily express about the particular point. So this is the famous game, and you can raise your voice easily.
Okay, so what are I want to improve myself in English. So there are any kind of practices which I want to do in my home?
Yeah, if I talk about the practices, you should speak about yourself. Whatever you do at your home, like just you are cooking, just you are put off yourself, just speaking in English and thinking in English. There is no need of translate the word and just speak. This is the taking time.
Okay, so I want to ask a little thing also, if I bring some students for you, so there is any discount for me?
So if I talk about if you so sorry sir, there is no any discount, because the this institute is totally transparent. So that's.
So there is any Google website where I can visit to like how you are like how your institute is.
Yeah, I have a one website. It is run by myself. The website name is International Institute of English Foreign Language, and it is totally it is. And if I talk about the rating of my website, it is very fabulous according to the other institutes. And there is one YouTube channel over there, and we are just working on my YouTube channel.
Okay, so can you tell me the specialty, like if I am taking the admission in this institute, so why I don't want to like take the admission in other institutes?
Because in the facilities, so if I talk about the facilities, there is several facilities we have. Because in the intermediate class, the people have a great environment. The all audience are beginner. You can comfortable to teach them. There is no high knowledgeable audience over there. It is very fabulous for you, and according to your knowledge you are totally promoted. I also mention about it. And if I talk about the several facilities like the AC facilities over there and water, washroom, these type of basic facility we have.
Okay, so may I know like how much is like course, like how the course will take my time?
So, sir, if I talk about how much time you will take to learn English, so it's a 3 month, but it's up to you how you expend your time on the English. So that's all.
Okay, so can you say you are giving me a reality, or like you are giving me a like speaking like I will be confident while speaking?
Yeah, there is a lot of audience over there. You can just experience about just observe these audience, and you can also show the reality.
Okay, so may I know about the batches? How are the batches?
There are several batches. I am just start my institute at 8 a.m. and I'm just after the and 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 1 hour I take the gap, and after that the 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. also running the class.
So in the 6,000, I will take like about only 1 hour classes. So so it is not a good thing for me. So do you have any like chances to give me two hours?
Yeah, absolutely. After the some month, I saw you are really serious about the English. So I will give you the 2 to 3 hour classes if you are serious about the English.
Okay, so about the environment, about the games you shared, I like that things. So there are any like kind of teachers, or there are you will teach me?
I am the owner and the teacher of this institute. I'm learn about the I'm just teaching about the basic, and the audience, they have a great experience about the English. So he will teach you which type of mistake he did in their past, and he will teach you. You should not you are not aware about the mistake, so you should teach you should teach you this type of mistake you didn't do in your past. So this type of mentor we have.
Okay, so may I know about the mentors? Okay, so thank you for this. Okay, so I hope you all are like our conversation between the like role play game. My name is Dinesh and my partner name is Aditya. He was the teacher and I was the like student. So please like if you like this video. So yeah, that's about it.